Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I created my virtual network and how I configured all the machines. So first of all, I would like to show you how was the network before. So I have just created a small company's name as Lucky Mobile. So it's just a kiosk in the small mall, we can say, and just to demonstrate, this was their all network, like they have two three computers and this router, internet and remote computer. So basically, as it depicts, they hired me as a security person or analysis in their company. So I have did some configuration into their system, and finally I have created their new system. So there was no need of three machines because it was creating more, I would say, security issues, because more machines, because only one computer can do all the work. So I have configured everything into one computer, and so it will decrease the attack surface, because it's easy to manage one system. So mostly like admin will only manage this system, and other computers, there was no need of other computers. So in case if they need other computers, company can just, I will just add this computer to the switch and just configure it, and it will start working. But for starting, only one computer is enough. So the company has one server as well. So I'm running Apache server. Let me show you. uh, Sorry. Okay. So on my Kali machine, I'm running the Apache server, and yeah. So this is the server, and this is the uh, operating system. Windows 10 and switch is connecting both of them. Okay, so now I have placed the firewall over here. So I have configured all the settings of the firewall. As you can see, it shows the green. So right now, firewall, I'm using pf sense, so you can see all devices are running. So that means like there's no error, so the data flows perfectly within the virtual network and there is no error, otherwise it would have shown red over here. So right now it's showing green, so that means everything is okay. And for my firewall, this is the IP address of my firewall, and if I want to do any other modifications, I can use these settings and do anything from my firewall. So right now I'm not gonna do anything, just to show you that as a security person I can do or add or like update the configuration as I want. Moving forward, I have set one router as well. So in this diagram, I have configured a router and the firewall and the virtual machines, because NAT switches are already uh, already provided by the GNS3. There is no need to do that to configure them. They already configured. So in router one, let me show you. This is the page. So double click on the router after turning it on. So it will show me this setting. So I can update or change settings of the router as well in future if I need. I have already configured, so I'm not going to do anything here as well. uh, and this is the Windows 10. So that's any user over here. So I'm gonna show you, just give me a second. Yes, so this is my remote user. So it is accessing the Apache server. So as you can see, the internet is working perfectly fine over here. So it has internet access. So I have configured it so it can access. So right now what is happening, so how the data is flowing, so this computer is accessing this web server, and it goes to the firewall, and it is filtering. I have some firewall rules I'm going to show you later in the video. So it is showing the firewall. It is passing the traffic passes through the firewall, so it's making a request to the server. So it goes to the firewall. So I have put a major security over here because there was no firewall in the company, so I have put the firewalls and set up some firewall rules. uh, so right now it shows like this only because I haven't uploaded any file or something like that. But just to show a rough demonstration that my virtual network is working perfectly fine. Uh, so NAT is used. It's already in GNS3. So you can see over here. So it is just to show a demonstration that it is providing the internet access, and this is the router. And that's pretty much it for my network diagram. So everything is perfectly fine running. I have configured everything properly. Moving forward, I'm gonna show you the firewall. Yes, so here we go. So as you can see, I'm using pfSense firewall over here, and it shows the system logs. So see, it's showing the system logs over here. So as you can see over here, this is the system logs, and the firewall logs is here as well. So whatever traffic is going through the firewall, so I have all the logs in case of any intrusion or in case of any attack. I have the logs, so I can check as a security person. So this is very important. As you can see, how the data is flowing, going through this logs. So these are the IP addresses and TCP, UDP, all the traffics are over here. So it shows everything over. This is source, this is destination, as you can see. Moving forward, you can also see the DHCP traffic in the firewall. Uh, uh, Okay, so VPN. So IPsec, IPsec and point PPT point to point protocol. These are VPN protocols. So I haven't set any VPN for now, but if there is any VPN used, so it will show the VPN traffic over here. And also OpenVPN is also a VPN protocol which is very secure. So depending on what kind of VPN protocol the user is using, so that's pretty much it about this firewall. And I'm gonna show you the firewall rules. So in this firewall rules, I have just set the filtering, firewall filtering over here. So as you can see, the filter expression I have set is 192.168 v6 is IP version 6 ICMP or establish. Over here you can change if you just want to allow the IPsec traffic, internet security, internet protocol security, that's VPN protocol, you can do that. So just to show a rough demonstration, I have set the uh, firewall filtering as well. So yes, similarly I can add more firewall rules, and there are lots of settings as well. So as a security person, you can do a lot of things with this. Like this is basically including a network security, and uh, yes, that's pretty much it about my network diagram, and rest everything I have mentioned in the file. Thank you.